Today we are demonstrating the placement and removal of the InterFuse S. As we are placing the modules, we also discuss the options of establishing that the modules have locked. We will be using the following instruments: insertion guard, tail removal tool, positioning lever, threaded inserter, module disengagement tool, and the use of the slap hammer is optional. We start with placing the first module loaded on the insertion guard. The second module is loaded on the insertion guard and the slot is placed over the tail and the module is slid down into position. An audible click is heard, signifying that the two modules have locked. We then undo the insertion guard and using the tail removal tool we remove the tail on the module that was placed first. We then use the positioning lever to move the device further into the disk space. We load the third module and we repeat the process. Another way of assessing that the modules have locked is to look at the length of the two tails, and if these are of equal length, then indeed the device will have locked into place. We remove the tail, same as with the earlier module. And the positioning lever is used to push the device further into position. And then we place the fourth module. And another way of assessing that the modules have indeed locked is to provide downward pressure on this tail while pulling on this. And if no motion is noted, then again the device will have locked into place properly. We remove the tail. Make the last adjustment to the device with the positioning lever. And then place the last module, which is placed on the threaded inserter. The last module does not have a tail itself, so the insertion technique is slightly different. And this way we have placed 5 modules in the disk space. In order to remove the device, one would proceed as follows. One would insert the threaded inserter in one of the visible openings in the module. One would then slide the module disengagement tool down the tail and then push down on the lever, and you will see the module becoming disengaged. And then we remove this module. The next module is removed again by inserting the threaded inserter. We move the device cross, which exposes the opening in the next module, in which we place the second threaded inserter from the instrument set. We then place downward pressure on the threaded inserter in the third module, and we pull on the fourth module, and we will again see that it becomes unlocked. We use again the same process to move the device and expose the opening in the second module. And again, repeat the process. Move the expose the final opening, insert the threaded inserter, and then again pull, remove the second module, and then remove the last module, and the InterFuse S has been removed from the disk space.